In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha earnings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a company's latest results, how to read the key numbers at a glance, and how to quickly gauge whether a business outperformed expectations. First, head to Seeking Alpha, using your preferred web browser. This is a widely used platform for market news, data, and analysis, and the earnings section is especially helpful when you want a concise snapshot of how a company is doing around reporting season. Once you're on the site, you're ready to look up a company. Type a stock ticker into the search bar. For example, you might enter AAPL for Apple. Tickers are short abbreviations used by the stock market to identify companies, and they're the most reliable way to land on the exact listing you want. If you're unsure of a ticker, you can start typing the company name and confirm the symbol that appears in the suggestion list. Using the ticker ensures you avoid similarly named companies or funds. Open the stock page you're interested in. This page is the home base for that company on Seeking Alpha, with the share price, charts, news, analysis, and more. Think of it as your jumping-off point. It provides context you may want to keep in mind when looking at earnings, such as recent headlines or market moves, but our focus today is the dedicated earnings area. Next, click Earnings. This takes you to a streamlined view of the company's recent and upcoming earnings cycles. Here, you'll typically see the most recent quarter's results, including earnings per share and revenue compared against Wall Street estimates. Look for green or red indicators that show whether the company beat or missed expectations. You'll also find year-over-year comparisons that reveal growth trends, which can matter more than a single quarter's number. As you review the page, note the scheduled date for the next report, any guidance the company has issued for future quarters, and a history of past beats and misses. Many companies include a transcript or summary of the earnings call, which provides management's commentary on performance, strategy, and risks. Skimming highlights from that commentary can help you understand why numbers moved the way they did. Use the information here to build a quick narrative. What the company delivered, how that compared to expectations, how the market reacted, and what management is signaling about the road ahead. That's the power of Seeking Alpha's earnings view. Clear data, organized in one place, so you can make faster, more informed assessments without wading through multiple sources. And that's it. Go to Seeking Alpha, search your ticker, open the stock page, and click Earnings to get a focused, insightful look at results in minutes.